want this.
Right?
I want that. You get me 16. And that's all. That's all. You accept this one. This one.
Ikaw ba yung may vlog? Hi la! Hi ka! Jai, can you speak Chinese for me, please?
Sosa.
Bakit ka nagkambang kang dyan dyan?
Sosa. Are you here?
Yes. Hello everyone! So it's our third day and nandito kami ngayon sa may Macau China. And we are walking. Siguro kakain kami right after. Visit kami ng mga destinations dito. So ayun guys, update ko kayo later. See you in a while! Hello guys! So we're now here at di ko alam yung church pero dahil umakyat to dito sa taas, cute lang siya dito sa taas, tapos hinabol ko na siya. Hindi naman talaga dapat kami aakyat dito. Hinabol ko lang siya dito sa taas. Ayan, at narating namin tong church. And alam ko, sabi nila, nasunog daw yan, love yung church na yan. And then, ayan na yung natira, yung structure na nasa harapan. That's what they said. You know that?
Yes.
Is it cool? Is it pretty?
Why that is closing?
It's closed because it was burned before. There was a fire.
Inside.
Yeah, because it's sunog na. Then after this, siguro kakain kami and then mag-stroll around. Hindi ko lang pupunta kami ng mga Venetian and all that. Pero, I'll update you.
Don't see the fire.
No, it was way back pa. It was way back.
At the way back. Come on, Dad.
Morning everyone! Gusto kami ng maaga para mag-stroll around dito sa... Anong tawag ng...
Morning Macau.
Anong tawag dito sa streets na to?
BGC!
Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag yung streets na to, pero pupunta kami kaya dito Abby, sa kabilang kalpada. It's 8:30 in the morning, so pupunta namin sila dito Abby. Kasi, wala na, nag-stroll around lang kami dito sa may street ng hotel namin. Bakit kami ng Fortress de Guia. And from here na pinaglalakaran namin, 5 minutes away, walk pa siya. So good luck. 8 AM pa lang parang gusto yung energy na.
Nakita namin si Tito Abby!
Hello guys! Good morning! So ayun, kakabalik lang namin dito sa hotel from the morning stroll. Diba kanina kami ni Janman. And update lang dun sa may parang lighthouse nila is hindi na kami tumuloy kasi sobrang taas niya. 5-minute walk pa siya, diba? So parang hindi na namin kinaya. Parang sabi ko, i-save na lang namin yung mga paa namin sa ibang trip sa Hong Kong. Kasi di ba kami masyado nakapaglakad dun. Pero yung paa namin sobrang patay na. Anyways, pa-check out na kami dito by 12 PM. And after that, we're mag-lunch after. Pero sana hindi umulan kasi mayroon silang advisory dito na parang babagyo. Actually, papunta na yung bagyo dito from Philippines. So sana hindi pa para makapag-stroll muna kami and makabalik kami ng Hong Kong kasi mahirap ma-stranded dito. And one thing na gustong-gusto ko dito is yung sobrang alert nila sa bagyo. Wala pa sa kanila yung bagyo pero sobrang alam nila yung gagawin. Meron na silang update from the government. Sasara na nila yung mga bridges and all that na nagdudugtong sa Macau and Hong Kong for everyone's safety, which is a good thing. So, ayun na. Update ko kayo guys later.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Sing message, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. I miss you long, happy life.
Guys, we're going back to Hong Kong. Dito na kami sa shuttle papuntang bus terminal. Ayan, and this is the door.
Lola din.
Ayaw nila lumapa.
Ang galing ni G. Hug lahat, love lahat. Ang galing ni JJ eh.